It's finally that time. We're gonna do a range video. I know it's been an awesome day, a little overcast, but it's an awesome day. We're actually gonna be able to get out here and do it. See, okay, how does the 22 stack up with some of the other? All right, so let's go ahead and see whatever you might happen to have laying around. Car door.
Gotta get a rack.
All right, the car door, did the 22 penetrate? Let's check it out. First actual car door, and then I'm gonna take and put a few rounds onto the all right, let's go check it out. Okay, so here it is. Let's check it out. Penetration does make a difference. Now